Campaigns send to the list you have. Forms grow the list. This is the form's surface. Every sign-up form your team runs with submission counts and conversion. Each form feeds an audience directly, so a new subscriber lands in the right segment the moment they confirm. New form, name it, give it a slug, pick the audience it feeds. The fields are standard: email, name, tags. What matters is what you don't have to build. The consent capture, the double opt-in trigger, and the audience wiring are all automatic. Save, and the form is live. 2 ways to ship a form. Copy the embed code into your own site or use the hosted page we generate at your slug. The hosted page picks up your workspace branding automatically, your logo, your colors. If white label is on, your clients see only your brand. Either way, it's mobile ready with 0 front-end work. Here's the compliance half. Settings, double opt-in. You write the confirmation email once, subject, pre-header, body, and where to send people after they confirm. Every form submission triggers it automatically. Until the subscriber clicks confirm, they're pending and they receive nothing. That single rule keeps your list clean and your sender reputation intact. Watch the whole loop. A visitor submits the hosted form, they get the confirmation email, they click confirm, they flip from pending to active, land in the audience the form feeds, and a consent event with source and timestamp lands in the ledger. No manual steps anywhere in that chain. Most teams discover list hygiene problems during a deliverability crisis. With double opt-in structural and consent recorded from the first touch, that crisis doesn't happen. Next video, the intelligence layer, competitors, funnels, and reports.